And I'm particularly excited about today's One Breath series. We are going to go to the Open Sanctions website, download the Open Sanctions Senzing formatted JSON, and then it's pre-mapped. So in this case, you can literally just drop it into the engine and start the entity resolution. I think, is that what we're doing in a breath today?
That's perfectly correct, Jonas, yes.
That's great. And what do we assume has already been done? You know what? What other breaths has one held to get to here?
They would have been the videos on installing the Senzing APIs and creating the Senzing project.
Okay, great. Oh, are you also going to create a new data source for Open Sanctions when you do this?
That will be part of the process, Jonas, yes.
While I'm holding my breath, we're going to download Open Sanctions JSON, Senzing JSON. We're going to add it. We're going to disclose another data source to Senzing for Open Sanctions, and then start ingesting it. Right?
That's the plan, yes.
Okay. Let people know what you're doing and where you're at so they can do this at home too. I'll get my timer set up. Go.
Okay, count you down on 3.
Wait. I didn't read that fast. Well, here you've shown that. Wow, you're going to do it from right here? Okay, well, at least we'll say that somebody's already Googled for Open Sanctions Senzing JSON. And now we're going to do it from right here. Okay, man. Let me know when to start.
Okay, countdown from 3 as usual. 3, 2, 1. So we'll come into the link. Open Sanctions is already pre-mapped into the Senzing format. So I'm just going to grab the address and download it. Now I'm going to launch our configuration tool. Add a new data source, save that into the configuration. And now I'm going to load that data. So there you go. That was download the data, add a data source for the Open Sanctions, because in the JSON formatted data, it's called OS work, and started one of our loader tools, which is ingesting the data, Jonas.
If I keep holding my breath, we can say we did all of that and we loaded 10,000 records.
You can breathe, Jonas.
No, I'm going to wait till we get to 10,000. Or maybe not. Maybe 6,000. Maybe just 5.
Oh, you can stop, Jonas. You won't hold your breath for this.
Well, I was thinking maybe I could. Hey, that was almost a minute and a half. I was thinking maybe get to 10,000. You're running this on your laptop?
I'm running this on my laptop only today, not a beefy server. No.
Yeah, right. Okay. Cool. Well, on a beefy server, I would have been fun to get to 10,000, the first 10,000 records loaded. Anyway, that's really great. That was exciting. That was like 30 seconds to go and download that file, add a data source, and start it loading. That's really unique to Senzing, and we're pretty proud of that. Anyway, thanks a lot, Ant. More fun soon. Bye.
See ya.